Guys, so today I have the TAKSTAR shotgun microphone for DSLR, SLRs, mirrorless cameras, so on and so on. I have a Sony Alpha A7 camera, so I will be testing it on this. I am so happy I got this. I recently had purchased a like $6 microphone, which is very cheap. But we'll check this one out. Heard very great reviews on it, so here's my personal review, and hope you guys enjoy the unboxing. Here we go. So I already had previously pre-opened everything just to make sure everything was in there. So we get this foam stuff, the things in, well, directions, but who needs them? A bag, a carrying case for the microphone. It says TAKSTAR on it. See if we can get that. Let me see if I can get that. No, but it says TAKSTAR on there. Oh, I was backwards. TAKSTAR. And the microphone. Since I already pre-opened it, I put the wind cover on there. And the battery, it comes in here. Put the battery in, and then the extra shock mounts that are right here, and here. So shock mounts, and it's a 3.1 or 3.5 millimeter jack, and then the shoe right there, and batteries in there, AA battery. On, off, 10 decibels right there. Have your little settings, and it's fairly easy to mount. Slide that in there. Slide. Oh, loosen it. Slide right in there. Tighten. And then open this and attach. Boom, that easy. And I will have a little sample on there for you guys. All right, thanks guys. Please like, subscribe, comment, pardon me, whatever you guys want. Dislike, just let me know in the comment section what you guys think and your thoughts on about this product later. I will put the price down in the description below, okay? It was only $30 and I'll put the link for it down below.